Probably one of the most delicious and easiest recipe ever. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to make perfect steamed cabbage. So my friend, in little or no time, anyone can definitely make this delicious side in less than 10 minutes. Without any further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. So my friend, for this recipe, definitely going to need one white, medium cabbage. For easy cooking, you're going to go ahead and just chop it into small pieces. So my friend, as always, if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome. On this channel, I bring you guys some of Caribbean's most delicious recipe that you can easily put together in a little time. As always, please subscribe for more easy video recipe. So my friend, these are some of the other ingredients that you're going to need. Red and green bell pepper, chopped garlic, spring onion, thyme, and also white onion. So my friend, for some of our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, in a heated pot, you want to go ahead with a bit of oil and also chopped garlic. After a few seconds, you want to go ahead and add your chopped veggies and stir fry for a minute or two. So my friend, is coming along pretty well. Next, for additive taste, I will go ahead with a bit of cube seasoning. Of course, for this recipe, you certainly can use any of your favorite seasoning. Next, I will go right ahead and add my cabbage and cook them for about 3 minutes. So my friend, for this recipe, I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. So my friend, just take a look at this. Absolutely delicious. As always, as mentioned earlier, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe for more easy video recipe. On this channel, I bring you some of Caribbean's most delicious recipe that you can easily put together in a little time. So my friend, at this point, you can go ahead with a bit of salt and also a pinch of black pepper. At this point, you definitely do not want to overcook your cabbage. You must want to keep them under 5 minutes. At this point, we are pretty much finished. So my friend, how easy was that? Well, now you know how to make perfect steamed cabbage at home. Thanks for watching. Until next time.